1. Who was the founder of the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Bukka Raya II. B. Harihara I. C. Krishna Dev Rai. D. Deva Raya II. And the right answer is B. Harihara I. 2. The capital of the Vijayanagar Empire was located on the banks of which river? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Tungabhadra. D. Kaveri. And the right answer is C. Tungabhadra. 3. Which famous traveller visited the Vijayanagar Empire during Krishnadev Rai's reign? A. Al-Biruni. B. Ibn Battuta. C. Marco Polo. D. Domingo Pais. And the right answer is D. Domingo Pais. 4. Which dynasty did the founders of Vijayanagar belong to? A. Sangama. B. Tuluva. C. Alvidu. D. Saluva. And the right answer is A. Sangama. 5. Krishnadev Rai was a ruler of which dynasty? A. Saluva. B. Alvidu. C. Tuluva. D. Sangama. And the right answer is C. Tuluva. 6. Who wrote the famous work Amuktamallyada in Telugu? A. Bukka Raya I. B. Krishna Dev Rai. C. Harihara II. D. Tenali Raman. And the right answer is B. Krishna Dev Rai. 7. What was the main source of income for the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Agriculture. B. Trade. C. Temple donations. D. War loot. And the right answer is A. Agriculture. 8. Which Muslim kingdom did Krishnadev Rai defeat in the Battle of Raichur? A. Bahmani. B. Bijapur. C. Golconda. D. Bidar. And the right answer is B. Bijapur. 9. Which language was prominently used in Vijayanagar court literature? A. Urdu. B. Kannada. C. Sanskrit. D. Telugu. And the right answer is D. Telugu. 10. Which of the following is not associated with the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Hampi. B. Vittala Temple. C. Meenakshi Temple. D. Hazara Rama Temple. And the right answer is C. Meenakshi Temple. 11. Which dynasty ruled after the fall of the Tuluva dynasty in Vijayanagar? A. Saluva. B. Sangama. C. Alvidu. D. Chalukya. And the right answer is C. Alvidu. 12. Which empire did Vijayanagar mainly fight with in its early years? A. Chola. B. Bahmani Sultanate. C. Mughals. D. Rajputs. And the right answer is B. Bahmani Sultanate. 13. Which site is famous for the stone chariot of Vijayanagar architecture? A. Badami. B. Aihole. C. Hampi. D. Pattadakal. And the right answer is C. Hampi. 14. Who was the last ruler of the Vijayanagar Empire? A. Sadashivaraya. B. Tirumal Raya. C. Ramaraya. D. Venkatpati Raya. And the right answer is B. Tirumal Raya. 15. In which year was the Battle of Talikota fought? A. 1530. B. 1545. C. 1565. D. 1572. And the right answer is C. 1565. 16. Which alliance led to the fall of the Vijayanagar Empire at Talikota? A. Mughals and Rajputs. B. Cholas and Cheras. C. Deccan Sultanates. D. Portuguese and Marathas. And the right answer is C. Deccan Sultanates. 17. What was the main religion followed by the Vijayanagar rulers? A. Buddhism. B. Jainism. C. Islam. D. Hinduism. And the right answer is D. Hinduism. 18. Which temple festival was celebrated grandly in Vijayanagara? A. Diwali. B. Makar Sankranti. C. Dashehra. D. Holi. And the right answer is C. Dashehra. 19. Which material was widely used in Vijayanagara temples? A. Sandstone. B. Granite. C. Marble. D. Limestone. And the right answer is B. Granite. 20. Who was the regent ruler during the later years before Talikota, acting on behalf of Sadashivaraya? A. Devaraya II. B. Ramaraya. C. Bhuka II. D. Tirumalraya. And the right answer is B. Ramaraya. 21. The Nayaka system was a feature of which empire's administration? A. Mughal Empire. B. Chola Empire. C. Vijayanagara Empire. D. Maurya Empire. And the right answer is C. Vijayanagara Empire. 22. Which Portuguese traveller described Vijayanagara as larger than Rome? A. Duarte Barbosa. B. Marco Polo. C. Vasco da Gama. D. Niccolo di Conti. And the right answer is A. Duarte Barbosa. 23. Which structure served as a royal assembly hall in Hampi? A. Elephant Stables. B. Lotus Mahal. C. Queen's Bath. D. Mahanvami Dibba. And the right answer is D. Mahanvami Dibba. 24. Which Vijayanagara ruler built the Vithala temple? A. Harihara I. B. Devaraya II. C. Krishna Devarai. D. Achyutaraya. And the right answer is D. Achyutaraya. 25. What was the chief export of Vijayanagara Empire? A. Spices. B. Pearls. C. Salt. D. Opium. And the right answer is A. Spices.